One of the main differences between us and other animal species is that we use the concepts of yesterday and tomorrow. We always tend to learn from the past to anticipate the future. Predicting the future is essential for our survival. It helps us to avoid chaos, it gives us time to plan ahead and make life-saving decisions. With time, we started to realize that the more we know about the past, the more accurate our predictions can be. So for that reason, we started to record and save everything we do in the present. We save every location we visit, every phone call and SMS, every Facebook like and tweet, every email and an online purchase. We are recording everything. And all these digital activities that we do, we now call big data, which is a detailed picture of us that companies and government organizations and scientists can use to predict our future behavior, our preferences, opinions, and desires. But the question is, how do we use data to predict the future? Well, we use mathematics. Yes, mathematics, the subject that terrified generations and caused us anxiety whenever we dealt with it. But nowadays, we are using mathematics differently. We are using it as a language to talk to the real world. And that language is called mathematical modeling. I'm going to show you a very simple example of a mathematical model that uses data to produce predictions. Suppose we want to predict the temperature of the Earth 5 years from now. And let us assume that the temperature of the Earth and time are directly proportional. So we immediately think of the equation y equals ax, where y and x are directly proportional. No panic now. We can simply replace y by the temperature and x by the time. And to predict the temperature 5 years from now, we just need to replace the time by 5 and multiply it by a. But what is a? It is a change of temperature over the years. And where do we get a from? Historical data. We look back and we see how the temperature has been changing over the years, and from that we infer the value of a. So now we have a mathematical model that's like an engine that runs on data to produce predictions. Now, obviously, this is a very simple model, and we can use more complex ones to predict population growth, economic conditions, weather conditions, outcome of elections. Even the construction of the black hole image that was released last night was based on a mathematical model called Gaussian mixture model. I believe that data is the new oil, and mathematical modeling is a crucial part of modern science. It is not just a collection of theorems. It is an in-demand scientific field that we can always use to unravel the future's hidden secrets. Thank you.